When a student goes to join a session, you will be able to give students a code or a link to join a session. So I am going to type in the code and click join. And as a student, I will see how my teacher loaded the lesson. So now as a student, I have an option for it to read it to me.
Preparing for the Earth.
And my teacher will be progressing the slides. As the slides progress, I'm able to look at the different slides. I can also take notes that can be saved to my Google Drive. So students have the ability to take notes. Right now, the lesson is just going over some vocabulary that I'm able to follow along. Now this will go through a whole video. So while this video plays, it'll give us some content knowledge that we need. Students will watch the video in real time as the teacher is going on. You have the ability to change the sound, make it lower and louder, so students can control the volume. So for time, we're going to skip the video. And now this gives us the ability to circle the correct answer. This is a draw it. So I will circle the answer and click submit. So we go through these few questions that follow up the video, which are all on Draw It slides. Now students will have to circle and click submit for the answer to go to the teacher. And there are also other options for highlighters, there are options to type text, there are options for writing, for selecting, for adding a picture if need be, as well as erasing. Now again, this is another video, but we are going to skip it. It's the second part of that Brain Pop video. So, and again, there are some more Draw It slides, which students can go through and select the answers. Now this is a poll, so students will select the answer and click submit. For an open-ended question, they get to type in the answer. And again, they have to click submit. Then this is a matching of pictures. And this can also be, depending on the class, matching of picture to words or vocabulary to an item. This is a fill in the blank. When they click done, it'll tell them if they got it correct. Now this is a memory test. Now this is a collaborate board, so students are able to add in different answers. And they can also add in images. And this is a time to climb, which is a gamified quiz in which students will participate. And the teacher controls how it goes. Now this could be done with pictures or with words, depending on how the teacher sets up the lesson, and the student will have to choose. And then students, again, with a different type of drawer, it can draw someone throwing out some trash.